What's up guys, Some Guy with Tools, Andrew here. Today we're going to be taking a look at the brand new Milwaukee 4000 lumen ROVER dual powered floodlight. This is part number 2366-20. This is part of their M18 tool line. This is brand new. They just they announced it back during one of the pipeline episodes. They sent it out for testing and review, so I want to give y'all a first look at it and see what it can do. So we'll get it opened up and take a look. Alright guys, here is the 2366-20 opened up. Again, this is the M18 dual power, so you can run it off of any M18 battery or plug it in with the standard extension cord to a 120 outlet with a 5 amp hour battery. One 5 amp hour battery will get you 3 hours of full power, 4000 lumen runtime, 6 hours at 2000 lumens, or 12 hours at 1200 lumens. All right, even 1200 lumens with as wide of a beam as this casts will light up an entire room. Okay, as you know, I'm in the Houston area, and with this recent winter storm that came through, we lost power a couple of different times. For once was 8 hours on end, and the other time I think was 7 or 8 hours as well. We put this guy in the corner of the room, aimed it up towards the wall, away from my family and my kids and everybody, turned it on all the way down to low. That's the low setting, 1200 lumen, and with it casting towards the wall, lit up our entire living room and kitchen area and gave us enough room to move around in the power outage. So again, with that 5.0 battery installed on low, that 1200 lumens, you're going to get 12 hours of runtime out of it. In the battery bay, you see that the 5.0 leaves a ton of space in there. Now the largest battery I've got here at home right now is an 8.0, and even it leaves a ton of room back there. On the bottom of the light, it's got 4 keyholes. These are set going that direction, these are set coming this direction, so you can hang it on a wall and work with the light mounted either direction, up or down. The head obviously swivels fully around. I guess that's what, like 160 degrees? Oh, sorry, 120 degrees. So you can get it mounted on the wall with these keyholes aimed up towards the ceiling to cast, you know, reflective light downward, or you could hang it on the wall this way up above your work area and shine down if you were doing some flooring or some demo work down low. The one thing that it doesn't include that I wish it did is it does not have any magnets on the base. What I'm considering doing is making me a little 3D printed piece to line up with these keyholes and maybe slot into 2 of them, lock into 2 of them, and then just set in on the other 2, and then inset some rare earth magnets, and then that way should be plenty strong enough to hold this light up on any magnetic surface. I do wish that Milwaukee would have included that in the light, built that feature in, but you take what you can get, I guess. So built into the light, in addition to the 4 keyhole slots, it also has a low battery indicator where the entire LED will flash a couple of times when the battery is getting low to indicate that you're going to need to change the battery, so it won't just cut out on you all of a sudden without any warning. We'll take a look. I'm not sure how the camera is going to respond to this, but we'll take a look. So that's low, high, medium, and low again. On the back, you have the mode button to change between high, medium, and low, as well as the power button. Once will turn it on. Mode will cycle through the output levels. Then here on this left side of the light is where you have the sealed compartment for your outlet. We'll pop that battery out, pop in an extension cord, and you're still getting full light output either way you go. So if you have power nearby and want to save your battery charge for when you're not near an outlet, you're easily able to do that. It is IP54 rated and impact resistant, so it'll stand up to some water getting on it. It's not going to submerge in water, but it will withstand rain or maybe some splashback or something, or overspray from a garden hose or pressure washer. And it's also dust resistant, so it's completely sealed. You're not going to have to worry about that. Anyway guys, this is the Milwaukee M18 4000 lumen Rover dual powered floodlight model 2366-20. I appreciate you checking out the video. We're going to be putting this to a lot of use. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and be sure, if you're not already, subscribe, hit that like button. I do appreciate it. It does not go unnoticed, and I'll see you on the next one.